Hey, good morning. How are you? So, this is to be mostly a short video because I'm trying to get ready for work and stuff happens when I'm getting ready, such as hiccups. So, yes, I have hiccups right now because I am super thirsty. I find when I'm really thirsty, I get hiccups. So, this is like the first possible moment I can start recording because I just finally turned my clothes on. Yeah, naked hiccups. I don't know if that's even possible. So, hi. How you doing? Now, of course, during hiccups, I'm going to be taking my meds. So, well. Problem is, I don't have liquid prep that I like. So, this might be pretty awful. Yeah, there's a hiccup. Alright, so, I'm not going to show you what my meds are. Some are just vitamins, you know. So, it's not like it's, oh my god, I'm on medication. Whatever. They got stuck. I almost puked. Okay, great video. Oh my god. Anyway, so I did start off with hiccups. It might go away now that I had a sip of water, or 2 sips really. So I just thought, you know what? I'll just jump on as I'm getting ready and say hi. There we go. 2 down, 2 more to go. Technically, there should be a 3rd one, but I can't afford to buy it. Yeah, literally, can't afford to buy it. Vitamins. Yeah, I think I got rid of my hiccups. Sorry! There's 1 or 2 at the beginning of the video-ish. So, oh well. I hate taking meds. Oh, fudge. Anyway. Like, I don't mind it, but I don't like it. And then 1 more for today, at least. And I gotta buy one. Money is tight. The joys of getting ready for work so I can go work and go maybe earn $5. Seriously? Yeah, that's what my life is like. Okay, so you want to, yeah, it's a Yeti. I bought it back when I had some money. Actually, I kind of stole it from my partner. He had 2, and I took 1. Anyway, unfortunately, I think my hiccups are gone. So at least there was some hiccups here, people. I tried. It's just when they started, I was not ready. So, because unfortunately, I cannot do hiccups at work. My boss does not like that. Hence the whole, try to earn $5 thing. Anyway, sorry that this, wasn't really anywhere for a video. But thanks for watching. Bye. Till next time.